This is our tour of Grateful Shed restaurant in Wisconsin Dells. The restaurant is a really cool concept that includes 4 food trucks under one roof, along with a full-service bar, outdoor seating, including games, fire pits, and so much more. It's located directly across from the Mount Olympus theme park and next to one of the biggest go-kart tracks in all of Wisconsin Dells. Thanks a lot. We hope you enjoy. And if you do, please consider liking and subscribing. Have a great day. Probably over here.
Raise your hand if you're on vacation this week. Yeah, please, all right. Put your hand up if you are not native to the Wisconsin Dells, if you're visiting from elsewhere. Oh, good. So we got a lot of locals taking advantage of the great weather and the great atmosphere. That's good. That's good. Well,